some stuff that we have in our refrigerator, and I'm gonna make something fantastic. First off, I want to introduce to you our $300 steak leftovers. We have to do something with this. We're like the red meat king and queen, I guess. We're just eating red meat.
Yeah, babe. Grab the Worcestershire. Grab the Japanese Q pie mayo.
The Q pie. The Worcestershire.
Yeah, babe. Grab the arugula.
The arugula.
Yeah, babe.
Which I bought yesterday because I made crostinis. Those were so good. What else do we need?
Texas toast.
Texas toast.
I know we have some in there.
This is my favorite toast. I love this. This is great. Any meal. This always is good. It's easy to heat up.
Yeah, babe. We didn't even have to go to the store. All right, let's roll the intro. Hello, and welcome back. My name is Josh, the cooking cop.
And my name is Babe, and I cook for the cop.
Yeah, babe. Yeah, so today is very special. The YouTube channel Kitchen Queers posed a YouTube creator collaboration. Let's put it on the screen right now. Hashtag quarantine cooking. Hashtag quarantine cooking. Hashtag quarantine cooking.
Oh, boy. Quarantine's got you going a little cuckoo.
A little crazy. Well, I'm still going to work every day. I'm an essential.
I'm an essential. I'm essential, and I'm quarantined.
So today is special. So what they proposed was go through your refrigerator, go through your pantry, pick out some ingredients, make something. If you click on the hashtag below, you're going to see a bunch of YouTube creators. It's going to be really cool. Just seeing random recipes that you can make. So that's cool.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people are stuck at home. They want to make random recipes and stuff like that. So today we're going to be doing a garlic bread steak sandwich. A little bit of sauce, a little bit of arugula, some Texas toast, garlic bread. It's going to be amazing.
Yeah.
What's really fun is the steak is left over from a gold grade Snake River Farms Wagyu beef tenderloin. It's cost $300. No joke. I'll put it on the screen right now. Look at this website. It's a $300 piece of meat.
It was so
It was amazing. So we're outside. We're out here. 22-inch Blackstone Flat Top Griddle. Babe's going to heat up the toast, steak, make a little sauce, a little arugula. We're going to have a little snacky snack. Hashtag quarantine cooking.
Yeah, babe. Yeah, nothing better to do. For me. You have to go to work.
It's Saturday. So, yeah.
I just sit here with no makeup, no hair, and cook all day. And drink a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a lot going on.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
a lot. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Kitchen Queers, thank you, boys. And
we love you guys.
Yeah. All right. Let's make a steak sandwich. And here we
Go.
You pulled this out of the freezer. This is some random garlic toast.
Also,
got a little mixing bowl. Babe, quarantine nails. Babe, what is this? Is this a takeout margarita from a local Mexican restaurant in a salsa cup? Okay. We got a little sriracha. We got that steak. We got some baby arugula. Little whoosh. I can't even pronounce that. This is Q pie Japanese mayo. This will change your life. Link below. Amazon. Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, babe, what are you doing here?
Here we go. I'm going to do 4 pieces of toast.
Oh, you're making 2 sandwiches?
I think so, yeah.
You are? Who's eating all this? I was going to split a sandwich with you.
With David. I'll probably want one.
All right.
Okay.
Babe, how come I already smell it?
Oh my gosh. This was the best steak, I think, we've ever had. I mean, it was phenomenal. So we want to heat that up just a little bit. I have my Blackstone on low because I don't like high. Everything should be low and slow.
You're already flipping, babe. It's been like 20 seconds. How are you going to do that?
Okay. It's going to be quick.
Okay.
Next, I'm going to make our sauce. Well, 1/2 cup of mayo. That's a little less than a 1/2 cup. Let me add a little more. Nope, that's good. 1/4 cup of mayo. A couple dashes of Worcestershire. And some sriracha. Which, if you look back, Babe took me to the Hoi Fong factory.
That's good, babe.
So, a couple years ago, I think, was it last year?
It was Valentine's Day, I thought.
I think it was last year, 2018. Josh took me to, on a date, and he surprised me and took me to the Hoi Fong factory, and we did.
That was an awesome date.
I know.
What are you talking
awesome.
about?
I loved it. It was so much fun. We drove out to the sriracha factory. You can find that in our videos.
No, you're supposed to say link above.
Oh, I mean the link's above.
Yeah.
So we love sriracha. So that was really easy. I mean, that took 2 minutes, you guys, to make this already.
How's your bread looking, babe?
Bread is looking good. Coming along. Toasting up real nice.
You're making a $300 Wagyu steak sandwich.
We're good.
Okay, we're done?
Yeah.
It's time to build? I'm pumped. That smells super good.
Quick, easy. Okay.
All right.
So right here with our sauce. Do a fair amount of your sriracha mayo. A little bit on each side. Next, we're gonna do our arugula.
What happened, babe? What is that?
Okay, next we're gonna lay down our arugula. This garlic toast smells so good. I love Texas toast. If you don't want to make your own garlic bread at home, go get Texas toast.
We just happen to have it in the freezer.
It's so good. Oh my gosh, this steak is like continuing to be amazing every step of the way.
Babe wants to get crazy.
Okay.
And then you're going to crown it.
And then I'm going to put on the top here. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it.
Okay. Let's see what it looks like, babe. There's your little simple leftover steak sandwich.
Go.
I'm ready for your creation, babe.
Oh yeah.
You can smell the Texas toast.
It's so simple and delicious. Babe, that steak is like to die for. It's so good.
You're dealing with a ridiculously expensive piece of meat.
Yeah.
That sauce with the Worcestershire, Japanese kewpie,
And sriracha?
you can't even taste the sauce. It's very, very, very tiny. Like,
Yeah. Go buy that piece of steak for $300 and make this.
I mean, a ribeye in New York, everything would work. But
Yeah.
man,
Yeah?
quarantine cooking.
It's good?
Quarantine cooking.
It's good.
Put it on the screen. Quarantine cooking.
It's so yummy.
Yeah. Babe, can we talk about your dead plant?
It got the coronavirus.
That plant wasn't in quarantine.
No.
No. Put an X on the
outside.
plant.
It didn't make it. It didn't make it.
All right, babe,
Okay,
you
right
gotta
here,
you
I'm
gotta
gonna
try it.
Okay.
You're tasting the garlic bread. You're tasting the Japanese mayo. You're tasting the sauce. You're tasting the steak.
First off, let's talk about how my bite, there's no pull on the steak. It just bites
Oh, it's
right
like butter.
through. Second, the garlic toast. Wow. Oh yeah, see? It just comes right off. The garlic toast. Wow. Third, the sriracha mayo. Oh my goodness. Fourth, I love arugula. Because you know I'm a hippie. Do it.
Do it.
Make it.
And while you're sitting there getting hungry, click on the hashtag and watch everybody else's video. You're gonna get super hungry then.
It's so good.
Yeah.
This is our $300 steak garlic toast sandwich made on the Blackstone grill.
Yeah. All right, you guys.
Just do it.
Thank you. I hope everybody's safe, healthy, staying inside, doing what you got to do. I'll be out there. Babe's here.
I'll be inside.
Babe will be inside. All right.
Sending out root kits.
Yep. See you guys later. Cheers.